They surprise me well because how can a married woman, you come out, you go cheat on your husband, and you can still get mad, tell your husband, say, I cheat on you. Me, I play the record, me on here. Me, I play the record before we go analyze. Very funny record when I hear it today. I don't feel laugh.
No, not give money.
Me on listen.
No, not give money.
Please share this video as you are coming in. How are you? Thickness. Welcome.
Now they tell you so now. They don't really say officer, if I talk and you provoke, like we're gonna mistake. I know you understand. I know you know the annoyance you enter my head that day, like
that is everybody by your car. That's all of your key way. Only when we're all of your key way.
I'm fine.
I know you know what I'm trying to touch me.
I bet shut up, E. Shut up. Okay, you know what did happen? This woman, she they confess to the husband, they beg the husband, say, make him husband allow him make it console. That is, make it come do sacrifice because he cheats on his husband and a married woman where they pay dowry. So if they beg his husband, so make his husband beg, make him let him come do sacrifice. His husband say, it is maybe you just thought say the man just touch you. So now do. He said yes, say they do. And somebody said, now do. He said yes, they do. The guy they tell the man say, the husband said, now juju. He said, now juju, now the enogie take cash in. The listing, no more the listing. He said, now juju, now the enogie take cash in. Which kind juju enogie take cash you? Who then use juju take cash? You know they know say they use juju take cash. Not be saying that for maths. If they use juju really take cash you not go ever feel no say now juju now they take cash you the heart. Who then use juju take cash? How you can't realize say now juju they take cash me? Meaning you know what you are doing. They listen.
Wherever me you were.
I'm not saying about anything. Only say you said say if I reach where you go, you take a touch me.
Who got me you where all over your queue?
I'm not telling any of them. I'll let my mommy not on the stairs. You don't let me even talk.
But where Lisen you were fable. We want me a boy, I have a
It's like, you know, like, check out. Your sister, no, my clear, I know you're seeing what they don't do me. I know you're saying, tell my head, please, that you love me.
That is, or can you be a cool when they were good to want me? Because what we are on a baby, they have a tissue.
Daddy, no. I know to tell you lies. Parents of you, you will do your ass. You say they tell you lie, I know they tell you lie. Now, two words that they tell you.
Oh, I love you, eh, no one, c'est une moulée. No one has a team with who can be my way. Who can be my way because Lisen, I do have a bomb. Uvawe, Uvonuru, Uvepo Panya, Veterio. So, you know, who was to
no, I know because where's matter. What I just not tell you.
So, who can be my way? Who are you doing, Pani? We are a boy at you. Walking heaven, I am well at what I go in like a pona. We are made not. I want good to back even than I. So that is it.
What did the girl they try to tell the husband be say? He don't commit abomination. He don't go sleep with another man. You understand? And the man when he go sleep with now one chief for Benin. So make the husband make it a beg, make it let him come do the necessary sacrifice because the man take swear. What did they call a wa? So now the man come they count the wa where she swear. Now the man they count for and just now say you swear Onuru, you swear Awosun, you swear this one, you swear this one, you swear this one. So that kind of thing, you need to go tell your family Now your family, now you go tell them, now go tell that man. Make the man come pay for the sacrifice. That is if he go agree. Listen.
But you don't go hard though. I blame me, don't go hard.
She they tell the husband say he no go fit. Go tell that chief. Where sleep with her say because that one go hard. He no go fit go tell. Now the husband say why that one go hard? No be you talk say na the chief sleep with. See go tell your family. Then you go bring your family come meet my family. Come explain to them. Ask the chief tell use juju for you. As they talk say the chief say na juju na the man use for you.
Oh, man, Zoe, na beg. You know that beg.
What are you Zoe? Okay, what are you Zoe? Family,
My sister will come, my mommy will come, and they'll yeah, beg. Hello.
Oh, go far, boy.
Daddy, la wo la. They no green answer me. My sister follow me to na la go na la.
Don't know hey do so that me have it is so now.
I go me go. And the person follow me.
You know what they happen? The girl they beg the husband say make him no one make the man family know about the abomination where she go do. Say make the man alone with her own family. Make them just do the sacrifice. She go pay everything. Let the man say that one not go let him do. I don't let you want to come do sacrifice for the abomination where you do. You know let him do. The people where swear the swear for you. Time where you swear that enemy wa. Now those kind of people now go feel still dead there. We go feel still help you to return the cost made for not kill you. Now your life now they at risk for you. But the girl they tell the man say it the shame to face the man family. Say he don't go cheat on the man. You understand? I ain't go take face the man family. Tell them say he don't go cheat. Say now the man say you also tell them tell me say na juju. Now you say the man you say hey, you also tell them for there say the man where you cheat on me with that chief for Bini. Now juju now the man use for you. So only you want to go do sacrifice of waiting the whole family. Waiting all the family swear. When you swear many and you know what that day. A lot of swear now you swear. Then now you can't want to make only in where be your husband can't hide. Can't go return the cost when they say you don't do abomination. Now they must say no. You not go fit do one. You must make sure say you go tell your family and come with your family to my family. Can't tell them what you do.
Which person? That's now. I know you're going to come over me now. I beg.
Please share the video and like, please.
For Thursday, they will birthday.
You know what happen? The man they ask and say, which day this thing happen? The guy say now on Thursday. Now the husband say, on Thursday on my birthday, did they want me do my birthday? They listen though.
Thursday, no. That's Saturday, I'm not going to. This one not be people. I'm not your this one so loud. I the woman not go there.
Don't man send the picture go. When you wa oni wa ni go ma ya agba gbeda. The picture the memu I send the go.
Yeah, daddy forget picture they send be me. No do not send up for start, no be here for senior.
Okay.
Daddy, I be my wakana.
I give my advice at you. Let me know. Okay, I read like that. You have to live do we azo. No go have to live no yaso.
Okay. You see, the husband they tell and say, the husband they tell and say, even if he go agree, make you can't do the necessary things. But now that's a no gear. Where he sleep with you, now that's a no gear. You understand me? Now you go back the whole thing. So you not be waiting only in one go feed you. You understand? So now waiting in family, everybody go need to join hands together. They do, and that's enogie must they there. Because na the enogie, na give you belle. Now the enogie, because the guy say in get belle. You hear when we reach the belle place just now. They listen.
The family where they know what to do. On a nalele ya na ya skeleti lele ya. Ni vai o nevi ho. O ta me family ya vai loki. O ko mo na ro wodo. Why do ya ro Anya ma we bi na do segwa ti ya drop e bi loki. E ma ni go ro pa make it trouble because o sao babi nikao or buhie.
See, amen. The person will sleep with this man wife. Now a nogie. And before person fit be a nogie, definitely not chief. You understand me? Definitely the person not chief. And this chief knows say this woman na married woman. And this chief definitely not be person where they far away from this family. Because even the man know the chief. The man know the chief. So now make the man ask the woman say, meaning you don't friend this chief before me marry you. Because I just can't quick say, you just feel can't go sleep with this chief. If two of you are not first, they do some kind things. And all this time where this chief they call you, you never ever tell me one day say, this chief they call you, you and this chief now they get communication. How come now we be say, me and you just get little quarrel? The next thing what you just do now to go wrong, go sleep with the chief. Me on a press like, oh, please press like, Thank you. May I continue with the record?
You want to go on make it trouble. I know why I don't. I'm a bill, but you go for a bill officer. I know that Usao by Popeye no lady maker. Here I pushing about that we may.
Yes.
Hey, you can't pushing that we may. So that is it. I do have only because I'm a pony, maybe and winner.
That they have not anybody. I've been my young consul. I
only girl. Only girl when you are Lulu. Who are ham, you got about 20 or 20 lawyer go or Kagbequa. Oh, Bobby, with the way I have of Timeno.
That I won't call Lulu. I won't kill me.
If you not do an risk for you.
I thought Savannah.
Yes,
I'll do money now. I'll
boyfriend and girlfriend.
Okay.
That's now. Now, me, your court everything I've been now.
I little one. I made the one of Agwina.
No, I know not.
May I wear a aqua or Yaqua or this? It is a lot of Agwina. What is happening is being your gigina.
Yes.
Almost to tap or attack.
This the wife they beg the man say, I beg. He no want make the family know about the matter. He no want make the family hear say this kind of thing happen. Now the matter and say, I ain't go tell fit to do that one. Let me and you. That one an abomination. You want make him die before in time. There is no way where you go fit take hide this kind of abomination. Where be say your family no go know. And the first person where is supposed to even come answer my family. Now that chief where sleep with you where you know say you be married woman. You are a married woman, you are not a girlfriend, and he pay your daddy, and he take you to swear in your wa. You understand? What me want no be say? What the question when me they ask be say? Now be say people say they swear their in your wa, don't say they cheat. Because those days, people where really swear in your wa, they know they cheat. Because they know the risk where they follow in your wa. If me, I never ever see person where swear in your wa, where cheat, where not talk, where survive and I never see. That is why many people, many women, they run for that Ehimio Wa. Because Ehimio Wa strong well. They know, everybody know. We believe, we know. We know. All of us, we know. Just that we call it, say, okay, Christianity. We know also Ehimio Wa, yes, Christianity. And it's not a personal choice. Maybe if your husband is a Christian, you understand me? Yes, it's true, say, Ehimio Wa not the guarantee, say, okay, say woman not go cheat. You understand? But in the other hand, it's still they put fear for a lot of women body. Any woman where they can't use Ehimio Wa te swear, where we say it still can't go cheat. You know say the woman get mind. You know say that woman not be ordinary person. Because when I waiting will be say the fear of that very day of the people and of the swear where you swear alone, so it will give you fear. You understand me? You know if you can take compare person where not swear in your wa, but who swear even if you not even swear in your wa safe. Cheating on your husband it will be destroying that man slowly, especially if the man don't know. Especially if the man don't know. And many women they cheat and the man not would know because why they not swear in your wa. The man go they try to they do things within life. Things not what they progress for. I mean, no say that in your wife they cheat. You understand? That's why I still be for a man, no. But I feel say the way God take create this life, men on still day a little bit better. Now woman on I worst. Let's say the truth. Let's say the truth. Now woman on I worst. It get the way God take create man and woman where be say he make we women very special. We will be the women, we be the temple of the man. You understand? So if we carry that body go outside, we defy that home. You understand me? We defy that home. That is why when you see say most men go they cheat and they will still be doing very well. We are not God. There is a way God do it. I don't know. You understand me? But if woman cheats, there is a way that cheating will affect that relationship. There is a way that cheating will affect that home. You know understand? They must they notice some kinds of difficulties in life. Whether health difficulties or financial difficulties, or maybe children go just they get temptations, especially when woman they cheat. Now they talk, so you understand. So me I believe say this Enyimio wa it gets a very strong part where they play for we Benin traditionally, not be biblically, no, traditionally it gets a very big role because. If you notice that only women where swear in your wa, now they confess to their husband say they cheat. If you not notice them, women where they swear in your wa, now they confess more to their husband say they cheat. Women where not swear in your wa, they know they care. And they know they care about the future of the family, of the children, of the man, of the family. They know they care about the future. They care only about themselves. They are just greedy people that they just feel say, I don't cheat, nothing will happen. No, something they happen. Because even the Bible condemn her. It condemn her. So may we listen to the audio.
I don't get them. They don't hear. They don't come to without his door. And if I don't have disgrace, so.
You see her? She not want disgrace. She said if she go tell the family of the man, she said not disgrace. Now the man say, how you can say make we contact them? Say make she, her family, and the man alone, make them do one. Everything where she would pay, make them do the sacrifice, make them do one. But he no one tell in your family. You understand me? He no one tell you the man family say he cheat on the man. Now the man tell and say, you go tell my family. You go use your mouth to talk what you do. You still explain to them how the man tell use juju take cash you. And you die. Which one you prefer? Now remember I said there was one woman where died some days ago for one of our presenter show where her husband come call say his own brother they sleep with his wife. But before that his wife died, the wife confessed. Why? Because the man take the wife, take swear and you understand? So he get the kind of power wait there for that and we make our people they run. Because they know say once you swear that swear, you cheat, you not talk, you are a gunner.
So, muje ko bowe uno. Oge ku ka mi family wo oge ke no shi no ke la ja we. Ogo mo to so no kana la wa.
Hello. Hello, yes sir. Okay, uwe kage hello, imnuta, waka Okay, we not see where.
You know where I will send again now. Where are you now?
On my well line, mere line. Well line. Go.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue.
We are the part you go put where soy, even you don't give an do soy. Effort.
The man tell am just now say, no be say no dey fuck you well. No be say no get better gbola. You and him are not quarrel. Now wetin you dey your mind now you do. You vex comot, you not come back. So not be too often, not be you go do the abomination. So now you by yourself, now you go carry your responsibility.
Say the thing for woman for I can say any maybe you don't need me, they don't hate me.
Okay, wetin happen be say this man and this woman they quarrel. So when they quarrel, the woman come vex pack load, he come comot for house. So when he comot for house, the man, you know some men now, when they don't still get their own plan too, they don't want make them even care to even tell the woman say come back. You understand? So as the woman vex comot for house now, the man, it be like say the man carry woman come house. So now the woman come they tell her now say in here, say you carry woman come house when he comot. You understand? Not be say the woman still there in house, so then quarrel, the woman comot. So as the woman come out, she not come back. Then the man can go carry another woman. Say they never separate too. The man can go carry another woman. So the woman come, they can't tell the woman, say, your husband don't carry another woman put for her so. She said now that one and she here. So she come the think say maybe the man not love her again. You understand? So as the man not come love her again, and you say, what you go do? Meaning you don't already get to the toast tube already. Because he too quick, you, my sister. As the man, as you said your husband, or maybe you hear say you cheat or you not cheat, I think you first wait first. It's too quick, you go wrong, go meet a no game. Nah. As you just say, yeah, man, can you don't go do. No, that one a revenge. That one a revenge. You don't say, you put woman for us, let me still go do. Now you say, now you take disgrace. You don't ever hear what they talk say, shame to a man where go cheat. No, not there. Now shame to a woman where go cheat. Now they hear. That is the world we are living. Now, as we see and as we go take and we cannot change it. You understand? It they hard before you go sit down say shame to that man. Say the man go cheat. It they hard though. Even say don't even give the man accolades because now the life, the society where we see ourselves. You understand me? Where made they take men more superior than women. I don't know how God take create there. You understand me? So we cannot change it. But when a woman go cheat. People go they clap and they follow and say, adulterous woman. They shame the woman. Hardly before you see, say, then shame man. Say he cheats on his wife. It they hard. Make na write na suggestion. Now true or false? True or false?
I don't want. I mean your citizen, I know you understand.
Woman not the married to a wife. Man not the married to a wife. Can a woman go use the safety compare man?
No.
Woman not use safety compare man. If not wrong, can woman understand?
Okay, una agree on this thing where this man talks so. This guy say now because say in here say the man carry woman put for house. Now make she go cheat. That kind of excuse is it acceptable for as a woman? Now the man can answer and say, okay, does that mean say man not fit marry how many wives he wants? Man can marry up to 10 wives. Man and man. Una agree on that. Say man and man. Man can marry up to 10 wives. Man and man. Me, I don't know. I don't really know. Una agree on that. Me, I don't agree. Because me, I believe say one man, one wife. Now so God take creator. All this one where they call the cheat. All this one now greediness. Who won't cheat? Now personal decision. This will not be juju. What this woman they say now juju.
Ever since they know get called where man a boy where I am where a boy over no Timoto where ya no guano. Every get that we were or we may go say maybe money or entice you. But then if no river any when they no get lad, they are not do so properly. All those on where.
Daddy la wo. We must take me from them and they every day la wo.
I don't know if you do this one.
Daddy
This
la.
one they be young me.
La wo.
It's a thing.
La.
It's a thing. It's a thing. We're very we here. Uzo umazo working.
La. Oh, go invite no, they no go fit invite am.
Why?
Denying now, I just want I want to face am.
You see her?
How you want to face am?
Okay. You hear her? He said, the husband said he must surely go invite that man where he sleep with her. Where two of them do that abomination. Because the man are chief and the man knows that this woman their husband house. Now the woman say, he no go fit go invite that man, but he know how he will take deal with the man. And the man said, no, that kind of thing no let him do. For this kind of thing to fit resolve, now that man supposed to buy the goat, the things for the sacrifice, and now that man supposed to do all the sacrifice for you. That is how they do it in Benin. You understand? And the man they tell and say, no, only in one will fit one for you. Now the guy they beg put to.
That's it now. I know I want to face am. No, may you help me now. Help me now.
The man say, God, I beg, make it not go die because of woman. The man they fear to die. Yes, now. Because the thing where this woman they ask the man to do so now abomination for Benin. For this man knowing alone now say this woman don't already cheat on him. For Benin, you not even supposed to near the woman again. Say now abomination. Talkers will say you go even know you can't hide that for her. Then two of you now can't go hide, go do the sacrifice. This small girl have been a big, I don't know, you don't even know where he go put his leg go. Because you not go fit marry, they take you to swear in your wife for Benin, then you will go cheat. Then when you will cheat finish, you can't admit say you cheat. Then you will beg your husband say make it not talk. Come out. It's not possible. It's not possible. If you as your husband even know now, self, he don't even need to wait for you to even go tell in your family. He is supposed to go tell in your family immediately. Because if not, then the thing will still affect the man. It will still affect the man.
Daddy loud now, beg. Hello.
Family me at one, the Bible position I na do one.
Daddy, I know
he say, I think they tell you now, you know one suffering here. He say, if a pa, Bobby, here, this recording, where I don't understand. So this recording, get for the combo. Maybe more informations go come later. Because the thing where this man talk now, he say if in your family, then Bobizwa, if they hear this matter from your mouth, say you know how it will be. Just use your leg. Just say go tell your family by yourself. Say you don't commit abomination. You understand me? Because if in your family here, say you do this thing without not be you content, then a problem. And you know one create problem.
Anywhere, the family were poor, or the family were poor, then they are to work all day, all to zone. Anybody we get to a no, who cannot do you who no who go to no can go to Adulterous. No, that's the only a punish you over here. That's the only a punish you over here.
You see, this girl na very bad girl. Because what she they ask this man to do so, she won't turn everything, the cost and everything put for the man head because now abomination. For you telling the man say make it not talk out, make it not tell your family. Make it not let in family know, say you cheat on her. Make it beg, make only two of them. They might tell and say, listen, what if they tell me make I do so? And you want to make the ancestors of our land kill me? I don't know say this way they tell us an abomination. May I keep your secret for you? When you go cheat on me, I pay your dowry. I marry you legally. And the man will still sleep with you, no say you did husband house. You need to go and tell that man. And that man I go do the whole sacrifice for you. If not, there's nothing he can do about it. That is what the girl is begging. He they beg her.
You know, concern that. Then I say, do that kind of thing. If I don't tell you for.
I thought you talk, huh?
No.
If I told you say not be in or not be this one, now you know who do one. When the time come, you go talk who do one. If not, you lay one. If not, you. So, how many people when you do one, you go talk her. Not be you starter, not be you go see her. But me, I cannot do it. Me, I cannot do it myself.
Daddy, I beg now. You the talk for people now. Then I'm here for this. I bet you want to just follow.
Now, don't do it for why you are here. Either way, no one.
Now, when you just follow me, who are again? What the time is joy? Now, when you do so now.
Maya is not that.
Oh, they will go to cancel. Where can we be? Where can we be? We want to work out.
No, I just want to see do.
Imagine. Okwana cabbage ogwodo ne o. Okwana na kana. O cabbage ogwodo re ne. E o be na no ina ge. Lare o. Nugwe na gwe okuoga ge tazoi. Mini gwe ka ge ne ogwodo nugwe ka joa. Ugwe ja ego okuoga ge tazoi. Ko be ni we ya tai. O wa ye na ge normal tin no sunu. Emi ro pa sunu. Okwa ka ge tazoi. You understand? Mini okwana ge nia. Egbe cause yan fi ge maybe ayazo egene de agbazo very ologo ebe family ya na bezo family say sorry yan accept na do zo niyan me when family no bun we do those days yan kwe no okuno ge yan kwe no okuno ge do z no do zo niyan anahin Monica, now you they call me. Okay, call now. Calling. Monica love, calling now. Calling. You understand? So, if dog one in a where in gay have a so meaning she's not even feeling remorse. She not even feel repenting of what she did. She's not talking about sister maybe not just normal thing to cheat. You understand? You be like saying just normal thing to cheat. Normally before, if you cheat, you're not going to fit let you open your mouth. Now your mama, now you go even go talk on your behalf. You go they hide, they go, make they not even see you. Because number one, you're not going to fit near the man. Because now abomination. You understand? Maybe it's... Hello?
Hello, mama.
Yeah, oh yeah, now. Butter. Monica, oh yeah. Okay. Okay, what contribute here? Okay. Okay. Exactly. Exactly. Ige odafinye mokwu adiowa omagido gwali na fige mebi omai kwe ndi dinye. Understand me? Only see any na ya feel where you are. Understand me? That you odafinye mokwu jowa na ya feel where you are. Only say na ya feel where you are. Sister Monica.
Masa na feel where you are. Emi
that or border for a deal. Okay, where you would be a woman would be because in your way, where one, the more he come away. Amaku water bowepa, do all be a jowa, very a jowa. Umar Sunday mena. So, we say, or you will have you knocking. Umar say, Yaro Wakba, okay, all day, who one, little Yabe boy. Umar Sunday mena. So, Biana, the advice in the area, not so good, you know what.